What can I say about the philosophy of Jiu-Jitsu? It's not an easy journey because it's a very intricate martial arts. But by being consistent and patient, you're going to get there. You learn from the beginning that you have to leave your ego at the door. You're going to have to alternate days between being a nail and being a hammer. And as you build up your training and go against more experienced training partners, you're going to be somewhat on the losing end of the deal, but it's going to serve you well because it's going to build your techniques by learning being comfortable with the uncomfortable. Once you achieve that level, then you start to really dig into deeper waters. You welcome challenges instead of trying to shy away from them. Once you reach that level of expertise, the sharing part becomes critical because you understand you cannot grow alone, and your ability to multiply growth will ensure your success and ability to reach even higher levels. You're as good as the training partners that you have to work with, and you will do all you can to make sure they get as much from you as vice versa, so all of us together can multiply our growth. That's the philosophy of Jiu-Jitsu in a nutshell.